Code word, overnight curls. Where those mismatched socks at? Sock curls on lock. First you need some socks. I'm using these long ones because you know, take the sock and I'm gonna take a huge chunk. I know I don't be trying to do a whole lot. I'm not gonna do a whole lot. This is probably about 10 to 15 locks. I can't tell, but it's this size section. And where my bottle at? You know, trusty dusty. H2O. I'm gonna wet it up, but not too much because it's not gonna be dry in the morning. We know this. Just enough to get damp. No setting spray, no nothing. We're just using regular H2O and socks. Start at the bottom, like so. Wrap it around. And twist up. And then what you do is flip the sock this is embarrassing. You flip the sock over the curl. Yeah, it's gonna have to lay like that. So I'm gonna be sleeping like this tonight. It's one of them nights. So I'm gonna do the rest and I'm gonna come back. I'm not gonna get no sleep tonight. Look at this. I'm trying to make it as flat as possible. This is gonna be crazy. I don't have enough socks. More socks. It ain't enough. It ain't enough. I need like 4 socks 2.
Mommy, so weird. Mom, you look like a lamb.
You look like a lamb. You dressed in all white. You look like a lamb.
Mom looks like the most lamb.
Come here, Mary had a little lamb.
Come here, Mary, have a little lamb.
I don't think he's long enough. Come here, little lamb, little lamb, little lamb.
I look like a real lamb.
Jojo is a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb.
Mom.
Jojo is a little lamb.
Wait,
His
you
shirt
look like
is
a
white
lamb?
as snow.
Mom, you look like a real lamb. Mom, you look like a villager.
You look like a storm cloud.
You look like a big villager, actually.
She look like a storm cloud.
I'm a lamb.
She look like a rain cloud.
Spray me.
She looks like a chance of rain. See, look. I told you.
Wait, can I have a taste? No.
No, this is a rain cloud. You got to get next to her to get rained on. Rain cloud. It's raining. Oh. Yeah. Still a chance of storm.
Hello, I'm a rain cloud. She's a lamb. I'm the cotton candy cloud. I'm the cotton candy cloud. Raya. See what happens if we put soap in it.
No. Y'all go play.
Where? Go downstairs. Wait, we'll have to slide. We're gonna slide. I'm gonna slide with my feet. Someone else. No! These socks are not for you, Mom. No.
So at this point, my little mic went out. I don't know what was going on, but this process in total took me about 30-ish minutes. And I say that because I don't know if I'm even doing it right, if we being honest. But if you didn't see, I'll kind of explain it here. You basically roll your hair up the sock and then take the inside of the sock and roll it back around the curl. Hopefully that makes sense. Keep watching. But yeah, and that's just how you establish the curl. The only thing I did not like about this is just how uncomfortable it is to sleep. I feel like flexi rods are more comfortable to sleep on than these. But to each their own. It was free. We used some mismatched socks to create some curls, girls. So we can't ask for too much. But if you have tried sock curls on your locks, comment down below and let me know how you went about it and maybe some things I need to do the next time if I do decide to try again, girl. I'm not gonna say too much because y'all about to see the results. But there's some things I would have done differently. For one, smaller sections. I don't know what I was thinking. This is not jumbo 2 strands. I also think the next time I might try with like ribbon. I think they're like ribbon curls or I don't know. What y'all think? What other methods do y'all use to get overnight curls? Let me know down in the comments. But overall, I think smaller sections and maybe a thinner fabric may have helped. So I think the hamburger socks I used worked best in my opinion. I don't know, let me know. Or maybe I should have used some of my setting foam. But I just didn't feel like doing all of that. Do y'all see how I had to stand on my tippy toes just to get my hair all in frame? This is crazy. I cannot believe how long my hair is. I will never stop saying that. Now I'm gonna try and fail to put this bonnet on. I did not sleep with no bonnet, no head covering, child. Look, the socks was covering the hair, so technically it was protected. So yeah, I took her right on off, and I'll see y'all tomorrow morning for the results.
Good morning. No, I didn't get any sleep, barely. We taking them out. I wonder if this was the first one.
Hey y'all, I don't know what was going on with my little microphone, but as you can see, we got a little curl, definitely giving. Let me bump the ends a little bit. Put a little foam roller on it. Oh, I just feel like with the lack of sleep plus what the curl is giving, it should give a little bit more. For me, this ain't it. I don't know. Like at this point, I would not recommend, because not to say that I wouldn't try it again, maybe with smaller sections, more sock. Curl is not curling. Like, y'all, am I tripping? For me, it's giving fail, but what do y'all think? Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.